and Springfielders. In the previous session, we learnt about seasons, summer and winter, advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon. We now start our chapter 4, Climate of India, part 4. In this, we are going to learn about greenhouse effect, global warming, AGW, and climate change, and impact of climate change on India. Introduction. As Earth started to take its shape from a fireball to a planet, many gases were released. These gases did not escape into outer space because of the Earth's gravitational pull and still holds them back. The result is a thin layer of gases surrounds the Earth and provides us several important benefits. The benefits are 1. The oxygen we breathe, 2. The nitrogen that our plants use to make protein that we need, 3. The layer of gases is the medium through which fresh water is circulated and it also keeps us warm. Greenhouse effect. The atmosphere traps a lot of solar energy that reaches the Earth by preventing it from totally escaping back into space. This is called greenhouse effect. Or in other way, we can say that the greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. The greenhouse effect is one of the things that makes Earth a comfortable place to live. Now we come to global warming. Global warming is the gradual increase in the overall temperature of Earth's atmosphere due to the greenhouse effect, which traps heat and gases such as carbon dioxide and methane. Scientists refer these as pollutants of greenhouse gases, or in another way, global warming is the temperature of Earth's surface, oceans, and atmosphere going up over tens of years. Much of the warming that has been occurring since the Industrial Revolution is because of human activities. The current global warming trend is called AGW, anthropogenic global warming. Anthropogenic means caused by humans. Effects of global warming. Let us see one by one. First, the methane that is trapped under the ice escapes into the atmosphere due to melting of glacier and ice sheet in the tundra. Second, rise in sea level due to thermal expansion. Warming of the ocean surface leading to increased temperature. 4. Large scale changes in ocean circulation. Let us see how to prevent global warming. What measures we can take to prevent global warming? The measures are 1. Controlling the overpopulation and promoting green and clean concept. We can prevent overpopulation by controlling birth rate. 2. Promoting afforestation, encouraging planting of trees. 3. Follow, reduce, reuse, recycle. 4. Reduce waste as it is major contributor of methane. 5. Avoid burning of waste. It releases toxic gases in the atmosphere. 6. Look for renewable fuel option, example electric car. Renewable resources are like solar energy, tidal energy, hydro energy, using water, etc. 7. Use compact fluorescent light CFL bulbs. 8. Turn off the light if you aren't using room or switch off electric appliances. AGW and climate change. AGW caused many changes in the distribution of heat in the Earth system. Second, long-term changes. Climate change happens from accumulation of short-term changes, weather changes. For example, increase in temperature causes increase in heat waves and decrease in water resource in semi-arid region. Another example, cutting trees for firewood causes deforestation, and this deforestation leads to global warming. 3. An international organization called Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change IPCC was formed to address this issue. None of these have been successful. It is mainly due to disagreement between developed countries, mainly industrialized, economically more advanced countries of the West, and developing countries that are not as industrialized. Developing countries argue that developed countries developed effectively by burning fossil fuels when they were developing. Developing countries say that their economic development will be seriously damaged if they don't burn fossil fuels, mainly coal, and that developed countries should find alternative that can help the developing countries to progress. Fifth, one human activity that contributes to global warming is deforestation, cutting of trees. Impact of climate change in India. 1. Though a rise of 2 degrees centigrade in average temperature may appear to be small, it would result in a rise of 1 meter in sea level. Example, on May 22nd, 2020, cyclone Amphan made landfall, washing away bridges and swamping low-lying areas. In 2009, the cyclone Ayla flooded several villages and leaving thousands marooned, raising water, cut off many villages in Sagar, Kandip, Namkhana, Gosabha, and on some islands in Sundarbans. 2. This would affect large portion of our coastal areas and millions of people would have to be shifted. They would lose their livelihood. 3. The other effect would be on rainfall. Some places likely to receive excessive rainfall, whereas others would receive less than normal rainfall. Excessive rainfall in our India are in states like Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, West Bengal, Odisha, Uttarakhand, Karnataka, and Kerala. And less than normal rainfall are western Rajasthan, Deccan Plateau, Punjab, and northern part of Kashmir. 4. Drought and floods are expected to increase. In India, droughted regions are Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, and Rajasthan, and floods occur in Kerala, Karnataka, Uttarakhand, and Himachal Pradesh. Fifth, the faster melting of Himalayan glaciers would disturb the livelihood of freshwater fisher flock. Reason for melting of glaciers is due to deposition of anthropogenic black carbon BC on snow and ice and precipitation changes, or we can say that long term reason is that our earth is shifting from cold age era glacial age to hot age era global warming age due to the interference of human activities. Let us recap what we have learned today. We have learned what is greenhouse effect, global warming, and AGW. What is the AGW and climate change? What is the impact of climate change on India? Homework. Search the answers from your textbook and write the answers in a separate notebook. 1. Define greenhouse effect and AGW. 2. What is global warming? Write its effects. 3. Suggest few measures, any 4, to prevent global warming. 4. What is the impact of climate change on India? Meet you in the next session with new topic, Indian rivers and water resource. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.